Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can track your gossip quests in Heartopia. Basically, you are going to just go to your watch and you are going to go to memo. So there's main story here, there's daily, and then on the last one, we have gossips. So you are just going to then track quests and it's going to basically show up here and it's going to show you the quests. I think it like stops tracking for some reasons after you talk to like one person. So you'll have to like retrack it again for some reasons. Or maybe it takes like days to complete the quest. But that is how you can show it up again in like your tracker, or if you want to see it from like the memo section. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.